talent acquisition has now put out the job posting on LinkedIn, on Indeed, and on your website. What do the candidates see when they are applying? This can also be done with Jira or Jira Service Management. This is how we currently do our hiring, and we find that it is a good experience both on our end and on the candidate side. The candidate sees a form, once again, with required fields to fill out: first name, last name, phone number, what position. This is pulling from a database within Jira. So your open positions that you have in that Jira project then become available for them to select. And we like to have a little bit of fun with our candidates, see if they would like to submit their favorite YouTube video or recent blog or article they found interesting. And then obviously attaching the resume at the end, they hit send or submit, and then it goes into the recruiting project. We had the open positions project, which housed the overall job role. And now recruiting is where all of the applications are coming in for every position. Now, these can be categorized by position in here. We just have them categorized by status. So it comes into the inbox. Talent acquisition is kind of vetting that candidate. Do they fit the minimum requirements? Okay. They then go to the evaluation phase. They're following that workflow. You can have a screen pop up saying, we need to fill out these certain fields before we go to the evaluation stage. So if you have to get certain fields, those can be required within this. Okay, we hit the evaluation stage. The team is then brought in. They get an overview of this candidate. They see these different qualifications. They see the favorite video. Team members are brought in here. You can see Kai is on here, Mike's on here, and they can start adding internal notes. At mention Mike Hogan and tell him, hey, this guy looks great. And then this is an internal comment between the team. Then if talent acquisition or one of the team members, maybe the manager, wants to reach out to the applicant, you would click reply to customer, and this is going to send an email out to that applicant. You can see Mike here already. He mentioned me and said, let's do it. You can see as we start filling all this out, all of this information is held here. All the attachments, all the pictures. If you have access to this ticket, you have access to the resume, you have access to how the interview went. We post our recordings on this. And remember, it is limited access. So for us, anyone that's the assignee or the team members can see this. Everyone else in the company, they don't even know this issue exists. So they don't have access to view any of this information unless they're added as a team member.